Oh, hello there. I'm Jessy Jamboree, and welcome to my quarantine kitchen. Today, we're making chicken fried rice. And I have all the ingredients here, as well as a nice cold beverage. But before we get started, let's wash our hands. All right, I have this chicken that's been marinating here in a Ziploc bag. And now we're gonna tenderize it and get it ready for our chicken fried rice. That should be good. Let's get this wok fired up. We wanna set it to high. And while that's getting heated up, let's get our chicken diced up into little bits. Nice and tender. It's got all that marinated spices that I put in there, getting ready. Now we're just gonna chop it up into little manageable bite-sized bits, because we don't want to be using a knife while we're eating this dish. Chunky chicken bits, that's what we're looking for, folks. I'm using chicken breasts because I enjoy the white meat. You can use whatever part of the chicken you want. Now, let's wash the chicken salmonella off our hands. Okay, we're back. Now, our wok is hot and ready to go. I like to use sesame oil. Put a good amount of oil in there to get started. We're gonna start by cooking a half an onion diced into little bits. We'll throw those on there and get those cooking. We're also gonna dump some peppers in there. We're gonna start cook these down till they get nice and aromatic and the onions get nice and translucent. Onions are looking nice, smelling really good in here. It's nice and colorful. Now let's toss in the garlic. Just don't want to put the garlic in too early and burn it. Good. Now, let's get our chicken bits in. All right, chicken bits are in. Now we're gonna cook this until the chicken is just like translucent. Smelling tasty. We'll let that cook for a minute. This is smelling so good. All right, so that chicken's looking pretty good, pretty translucent. Now, let's get that egg in. Drop that egg in there. And once these edges start to cook here, get a little white, now's a good time that we can just start mashing it all together. Mix that all in there, the chicken and the egg. That is so colorful and just so beautiful, isn't it? Oh, this is gonna be a delight. Smelling better every second. Okay, now for the fun part. If that wasn't fun already. Let's dump this rice in. And now, I want to get a little stir-fry sauce. You can use any kind. I mean, like soy sauce, whatever. I got this spicy and sweet chili. Just gonna do a little dash of that. Ooh, that's good. There we go. That's good. And then I just always like a little splash of this fish oil there. Why not? Now we're just gonna cook all of this in together. Ooh. Give it another splash of this fish sauce. It's always important to taste as you go, to see if you need to add anything or pull anything back, but wow, it's tasting good. And you always want to taste something before you serve it to someone because you never know what it's going to turn out to be like.
What do you say to Americans who are watching you right now who are scared?
I say that you're a terrible reporter. That's what I say. Go ahead.
I
I think it's a very nasty question.
Okay, now we're starting to get there. Look at that toasty color. How I like to check the chicken is just get a little piece out. Blow it, make sure it's not hot. Take a bite before you swallow it, just make sure it's cooked. That's cooked. That's good. Look at that, nice and toasty. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, turn the heat off, take our green onions, which we've diced into 2-inch diagonal cuts. I'm just gonna dump them in there. And mix this up. Ooh, yeah. Just mix it all up in there. What a colorful dish. The greens and the reds and the orange and yellows. That is our chicken fried rice, ready to be served. So let's serve it up. Oh yeah. This is some pro-grade chicken fried rice. Delicious. Boom. Ta-da. That's looking good. Now the time has come. This is what we're after. Chicken fried rice. We'll get a bite of that chicken. Those green onions. Make sure you got some of the peppers, the onion, and the rice. Oh, ooh, steamy. It's so flavorful. It's so fresh. Quarantine must. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Jessy Jamboree, over and out.